Hello everyone, my dear all students. Today we are going to solve this question. Solve the quadratic equation by completing square. Root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 equal to 0. Similarly, the question number 2, exercise 4D for the Meghalaya student. This is question number 7. Root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 equal to 0. In this question they have mentioned about the completing square. Completing square means what? We have to apply these two formula. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Another one formula is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. A square minus twice ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. In this question we can see root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3. So we have to look this question. All are plus symbol. All these are plus symbol. There is no minus symbol. If all these are plus symbol, then we have to think about this a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square equal to, what is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. First of all, we have to make only x, because there is x square, there is root 3. So if you want to make square of root 3, it cannot be like that easily. That's why we have to just divide by root 3 all this. So write down on dividing on dividing both sides of equation, on dividing both sides of equation, we get this a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. This is no need. On dividing both sides of the equation, we get, on dividing both sides of the equation by how much we have to divide? Look, coefficient of x square is how much? Coefficient of x square is root 3. So we have to by root 3. On dividing both sides of the equation by root 3, we have to divide by root 3, then we have to get what? We have to divide both sides. First of all, root 3x square divide by root 3. So root 3x square, look, root 3x square divide by root 3. So what we can see, root 3 cancel. It means how much remain? Only x square. Plus is plus, then 10x divided by root 3. 10x divided by how much? Root 3. 10x divided by root 3, because this we cannot divide 10 by root 3, that's why 10x divided by root 3 plus 7 root 3 divided by 7 root 3 divided by root 3. In that case also root 3 cancel. What is remain? Only 7 equal to 0. This is implies x square plus 10x divided by root 3 equal to plus 7 will be minus 7. Plus 7 will be minus 7 by changing the side. This is implies x square is, how can we write, x whole square. X square means we can write x whole square. Plus is plus. We have to look, I already said, a plus b whole square formula. Why? In this question there is no minus symbol. So a plus b whole square equal to, what is the formula? A square plus 2ijb plus b square. A square, a means we have considered x. A square plus 2a. A means how much? X. 2ab. Now b will be what? Look. What is this? 10x. We got 2x. How many x remain? 5x remain. So dot 5. And denominator is how much? Root 3. So 5 by root 3. Now look. Is this same? 5 into 2, 10. X is x. Root 3 is root 3. It means a square plus 2ab plus b square. B means how much? 5 by root 3 plus 5 by root 3 whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is equal to, look, how much is there? Minus 7. Now if you look left side is how much? X square plus 10x by root 3. But in this, here x square plus 2x into 5 by root 3. So only this much if you compare the previous expression and this expression. This 5 by root 3 square, it is not same with the previous expression. So that's why this 5 by root 3 square, 5 by root 3 whole square, 5 by root 3 whole square. This is, we have to add. We can write in this third bracket by adding five by root 3 on both sides of the equation. By adding 5 by root 3 on both sides of the equation. By adding 5 by root 3 on both sides of the equation. It means what we can see, 5 by root 3 whole square and 5 by root 3 whole square. We are adding. This is extra, that's why you can write by adding or on adding both sides of the equation by 5 by root 3 whole square. By 5 by root 3, how much we are adding? 5 by root 3 whole square. How much we are adding? 5 by root 3 whole square. That's why we have written by adding 5 by root 3 on both sides of the equation. 5 by root 3 whole square. Since if you look the previous and this part, then we can see this 5 by root 3 is not having here. So this is extra, we have added. Why we are adding? Because we need to make the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. So after adding, what we can see, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A means x, b means 5 by root 3. So a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to, what is the formula? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A value is how much? X plus b value is how much? 5 by root 3 whole square equal to, minus 7 is minus 7, minus 7 is minus 7, plus 5 square means how much? 25. Root 3 whole square. Root and square will be cancelled. How much remain? Only 3. This is implies x is x plus 5 by root 3. This part is very important. Look, x plus 5 by root 3 whole square. But now we are not writing this whole square. We are writing simply x plus 5 by root 3. When you will not use this square, then right side will be what? Plus minus root over. We have to use this symbol since we are not writing this whole square in this part. Plus minus root over. Now look, there is how much? 3 is the denominator. So 3 into 7, how much? Minus 21. 3 into minus 7, minus 21. Plus is plus. Then 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 into 25, 25. This is implies x plus 5 by root 3 equal to plus minus root over 25 minus 21, how much? 4 divided by 3. This is implies x equal to plus 5 by root 3, changing the side. Plus 5 by root 3, changing the side. It will going to right side of the equal symbol. So this plus 5 by root 3 will be minus 5 by root 3. So after equal symbol, what is remain? Plus minus is plus minus. Root 4 means what? Root 4 means 2. How? Look here. Root 4 means we can write 2 square. Root 4 means root over 2 square, because 2 square means 4. Then square and root will be cancelled. It means remain only 2. So root 4 by 3. Root 4 by 3. So root over 4 by 3. Root over 4 means we can write 2. And root 3 is root 3. Root 4 means 2, root 3 is root 3. Now what we can see, which implies x equal to we are getting two values of x. How? Look, minus 5 by 3 plus minus 2 by root 3. So once we have to do plus, then again we have to do minus. Try to understand. Once we have to do plus, once we have to do minus, because there is the symbol plus and minus. So minus 5 by root 3 is minus 5 by root 3. Then there is plus minus symbol. So let me do plus symbol here. So plus 2 by minus 5 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3, but there is again minus symbol. Look here. So we can write here, or x equal to minus 5 by root 3 minus 2 by root 3. It means what we have done here, x equal to minus 5 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3, x equal to minus 5 by root 3 plus minus 2 by root 3, minus 5 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3, or x equal to minus 5 by root 3 minus 2 by root 3. It means once we have to do plus, once we have to do minus, because here we are getting plus minus. This is implies x equal to, look, root 3, these are the denominators. So denominators are same. If same, then directly we can write root 3 here. Then minus 5 plus 2, directly we can do addition or subtraction. Minus 5 plus 2, minus 5 plus 2 means what? We have to do minus 5 minus 2, how much? 3. But 5 is the greater number, that's why minus 3. Or x equal to, look the second part, root 3, same denominators, so we are writing root 3. Then minus 5 minus 2, minus 5, then minus, then 2. So minus minus, what we have to do? Plus. 5 plus 2, 7, but all the symbols are minus, that's why minus 7. This is implies x equal to, minus is minus, this minus, minus 3, for this minus 3, here is minus 3 equal to what we can write? 3 equal to, we can write root 3 into root 3. This 3 equal to, we can write root 3 into root 3, because 3 into 3, 3 square, and root and square will be cancelled, divided by root 3. So root 3 cancel. What is remain? This is equal to, which implies x equal to minus root 3. X equal to minus root 3. So what are the x values we got? Once we got x value minus root 3, another x value is minus 7 by root 3. So this will be the answer. We can write here. Therefore, x equal to minus root 3, and another one is minus 7 by root 3. So this will be the answer. Therefore, x equal to minus root 3 comma minus 7 by root 3. This is the final answer. So thank you all of you.